let's see a very easy topic. The name of the topic is mode. The following frequency distribution table shows the classification of vehicles and the volume of petrol filled in them. Find the mode of the volume. So our first column will be CI, that is class interval. First class is 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, 10 to 12, 13 to 15. Now if you observe, in this sum the classes are not continuous. So first let's see how to make the classes continuous. Continuous classes. The first class ends at 3 and the second class starts at 4. So the difference is of 1 divided by 2. Your answer is 0.5. Subtract it from the lower limit and add it to the upper limit. So 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. 3 plus 0.5 is 3.5. 3.5 to 6.5. 6.5 to 9.5. 9.5 to 12.5. 12.5 to 15.5. Now in this case the last column is our number of vehicles. 33, 40, 27, 18, 12. Now while finding out the mode, to find out the mode class is very easy. Just take the class with maximum frequency. So 3.5 to 6.5 the frequency is 40. So this is our modal class. So 40 will be our f of 1, 33 will be f of 0, 27 will be f of 2, 3.5 will be our L. Here L is equal to 3.5, F0 is equal to 33, F1 is equal to 40, F2 is equal to 27, H interval of differencing, the difference is of 3. Now let's see the formula for mode. We know the formula is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. Let's see the formula again. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. 40, F0 33, 2, what is F1 40 minus F0 33, F2 27 into H, that is internal differencing is 3. 3.5 plus 40 minus 33 is 7, 2 into 40 is 80 minus 33 minus 27 into 3, that is equal to 3.5 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 80 minus 33 47, 47 minus 27 20, that is equal to 3.5 plus we can divide it by 2, so 2 10.5 upon 10, that is equal to 3.5 plus now 10.5 divided by 10 will be 1.05, that is equal to 3.50 1.05 554 4.55. So therefore mode of volume of petrol filled is 4.55 liters. So mode is very easy as compared to mean and median, as in mode we don't have to make any new column, just we have to take CI, that is class interval, which is given in the question, and number of vehicles, that is frequency again which is given in the question. Just we have to take the class with maximum frequency as our modal class. Here we can mention it as modal class. Maximum frequency F1, the number before F1 will be F0, after F1 will be F2. Write down the formula for mode. What is the formula? L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Substituting the values, we got the answer 4.55.